In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML file to Hostinger, Hostinger Tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll have your HTML website live on your domain using Hostinger's hPanel, and you'll know exactly what to check if something doesn't look right. First, log into Hostinger's hPanel and open the hosting account for your website. This is the control center where you manage files, domains, and settings. If you have more than one plan or domain, make sure you select the correct hosting account so the files go to the right place. And from the dashboard, open File Manager. This is a simple browser-based tool that lets you manage your website files without installing anything extra. It's perfect for quick uploads and small sites, and it keeps everything organized right on your hosting server. Inside File Manager, navigate to the public HTML folder. This is the web root, meaning anything you place here becomes accessible on your domain. If you already have files in this folder, look them over before making changes so you don't accidentally overwrite an existing site. Keep in mind that servers are case sensitive, so images are treated as different folders. Click Upload Files and choose your HTML file from your computer. You can select multiple files at once if you've got a small site ready to go. Keep file names clean and consistent. Lowercase letters, no spaces, and dashes instead of special characters help avoid broken links later. If your project has a specific folder structure on your computer, mirror that same structure here to keep all your paths intact. If your website includes CSS, JavaScript, or image files, upload those too. Make sure style sheets, scripts, and images land in the same relative folders as they were on your computer. If a style sheet lives in a CSS folder locally, it should live in a CSS folder on the server as well. That way, your links and SRC paths will work without changes. Make sure your main page is named index.html. Most servers look for index.html by default when someone visits your domain. If your homepage is named something else, use File Manager to rename it to index.html. Try to keep only one index file here to avoid conflicts. Wait for the files to finish uploading. Watch the progress indicator and avoid closing the tab until everything reaches 100%. Finally, visit your domain in a browser to confirm the HTML website loads correctly. If you don't see your changes, try a hard refresh or an incognito window. If styles or images are missing, double-check file paths and capitalization. That's it. Your HTML site is live on Hostinger.